Welcome to today's Litmus Partner Spotlight. I'm Jess Materna. I'm the Director of Product and Partner Marketing here at Litmus. Today we have Ling Zhang, Principal Product Marketing Manager at Oracle CX, joining us. Ling, we're so excited to have you.
Thank you, Jess, for having me. I'm excited to be here today to discuss the benefits of integrating Litmus with Oracle Eloqua or Responsys. Let's explore why this partnership is a winning formula to build, personalize, test, review, and analyze emails effectively.
Yeah, thanks, Ling. So why don't we start by having you share a little bit more about Oracle and how you differ from other email service providers out there or marketing automation platforms? Basically, what sets Oracle apart?
That's an excellent question. As the MarTech landscape expands so quickly, we all see this, and over the past decade, it's true that many providers are starting to look alike, making it harder and harder to stand out. However, what I consistently hear from the field is that our customers choose us and stay with us because of our scalability, flexibility, and security. Both Eloqua and Responsys were designed specifically for enterprise companies with enterprise scale architecture and security at their core. This kind of architecture isn't something you can just adopt or scale overnight. Now that Eloqua has fully migrated to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and with Responsys migration set to be completed in 2025, our customers are already experiencing significant performance boosts, such as faster processing speeds for real-time campaign execution, to name just one. Additionally, all customer data is securely stored within Oracle's own cloud infrastructure without ever being transferred to third-party cloud providers. In an era where data privacy and security are top priorities for all brands, this offers a significant advantage and true peace of mind. This solid foundation also sets our AI features apart. OCI powers AI across all our applications, meaning that AI, including generative AI, is built directly into Eloqua and Responsys, fully embedded into the system from the ground up, rather than being bolted on as an afterthought. Using our own cloud infrastructure for computing also allows us to avoid relying on third-party providers for data processing. What this means is that we can keep the costs low for our customers as they scale.
Yeah, I can see those all being benefits, and you're right, all of that absolutely doesn't happen overnight. It's definitely built over time. That value's built over time. And it's exactly what enterprise orgs look for. So that makes perfect sense. And I can see for sure why customers would choose Oracle. Another great reason why they might choose Oracle is how closely Litmus integrates with Oracle solutions, both Eloqua and Responsys. So now I'm going to jump into a quick demonstration of some of our integrations with Eloqua and Responsys. Okay, so let's start by taking a look at the Litmus integrations right within Oracle Eloqua. So first, we have the integration directly within the Oracle Eloqua Marketplace. This is the Litmus email previews integration. And here you can preview your email across more than 100 different email clients and devices in just a click. So I have my email up, I have my previews open, I can scroll down and just see the thumbnails, I can see color blindness to test for accessibility, mobile clients, you name it. I can also click into any given client. It'll open in a larger view in a new window just so I can, get a good feel of it. And there's also a comparison view, so I can compare different email clients as well. Alrighty. Now, let's take a look at Litmus Extension. Litmus Extension is a Chrome browser extension, so this works in the Chrome browser. And Litmus Extension is going to let you do several different things with your email. It's going to let you preview and QA your email the same way we just did with that app, but then a little bit more. It'll also give you access to your personalized content within Litmus so that you can easily copy and paste that into your email. Okay, so here I have my email previews, just like we saw, but again, just a different way to view them. You can do the same thing, click into them for more detail, but we'll also help you test for first impressions, like your subject line and your reply to address and your preview text. We'll check your links and alert you to anything that might need attention. And we'll also check tracking. If you have tracking attached to your email, we'll surface it there. And we'll also look for image blocking. What does your email look like with images blocked? We'll look at loading speed just to see, how long does your email take to load? What does that user experience look like? And then when you're ready, you can open your email in Litmus to do more. You can collaborate with peers in the proof tool to review and approve your email. You can analyze the engagement of your email, which we'll get to in a moment, but all of it's within one single click. Another thing you can do with the Litmus extension is you can access your personalized content, as I mentioned. So I can go in here. We offer a variety of ways to personalize your emails. So there's timers, there's personalized images, anything that you've created in Litmus will be here for your quick start templates. So I can go into my timers, for example. I can copy the HTML for my timer, and then I can go to my email and say, okay, I would like to put a timer in my email here. So let's go ahead and go ahead and do that. So I just added that timer in a matter of seconds. You'll see it is real time. It'll be counting down the moment your email is opened. Obviously, you could style this according to your email. This is just one that I built and have ready, but you could make this your very own, and it's that easy to add to your email in Eloqua. I do want to mention that this Litmus extension is also available in Eloqua or Oracle Responsys. So it's really easy to use this alongside Responsys as well. You can do the same things. You can preview and QA, you can personalize. All of that is available alongside Responsys as well. Okay, now let's jump into Litmus to see a couple of additional integrations. So now let's take a look at ESP Sync. So we are in Litmus now in our builder. ESP Sync is a really neat feature where you can have an email that you're building in Litmus, and you can automatically sync it and update it to Oracle Eloqua anytime you press save. So right now, I have an email that's already built. You'd actually usually want to initiate the sync when you're just starting your email, because that way every time you save as you go, it's always remaining up to date in Eloqua. But really, you can sync it at any time and it's still super valuable and effective. So again, this is going to help make sure that every stakeholder, whether they're working in Eloqua or in Litmus, has access to your most up-to-date email at all times. And if you have to make changes, you don't have to make those changes in two places. It just automatically updates from Litmus to Eloqua. So I have this email right here that's talking about a webinar that's coming up. I'm going to go ahead and sync it to my ESP. I'm going to choose Oracle. I can even select what folder, and I'm going to hit sync. And it's just going to take a moment for the initial sync, but when it syncs, you're going to see this open in ESP button. When I click that, you can see my very same email is now here in Eloqua. No copying and pasting. Everything was super seamless. But then I realized that I see the webinar's on Friday, May 14th, but actually, that webinar is on Thursday, May 13th. So what I'm going to do is jump in here. I'm going to use our handy dandy visual editor over here, and I'm just going to change Friday, May 14th to Thursday, May 13th. Here we go. All right, now I'm going to hit save. Again, that's a very important element. It only syncs when you save. And then I'm going to re-click the Sync to ESP button, but I do want to call out that when I did this, it does show me that my sync was successful. It says last synced November 13th, 2024 at 2:14 p.m. So it's telling me, hey, we got you, we synced you. So I'm going to click Sync to ESP. I'm going to open it again in my ESP, the updated version, and you'll see now, join us on Thursday, May 13th. So any change, again, you make in Litmus, and when you have your email synced, every time you save, it's just automatic, super easy. That email is going to stay up to date in Eloqua. Now let's take a look at our Integrated Insights report. The Integrated Insights report is available with Oracle Eloqua. What this does is it connects key data from Oracle Eloqua to data available through Litmus Email Analytics. You'll see things like open rate, click-through rate, and click-to-open rate alongside Litmus's read rate. So, Litmus's read rate is the number or the percentage of users that spend more than 8 seconds viewing your email. This is really great to consider when you look at metrics like your open rate because you want to know what users are doing after they open. Are they finding that content engaging? And that's what the time spent reading your email will actually tell you. So, we'll give you additional audience breakdown metrics as well, let you sort your emails, and then we'll also do something really, really cool. What we'll do is we'll surface any emails that might have issues. They might warrant a second look. So we can see here this 30% off August promotional email has a really high unsubscribe rate. If you click this and click Learn More, we will show you this panel on the side that tells you more about what a high unsubscribe rate might mean, what you can do, how we recommend that you troubleshoot or further analyze this email to make sure it's performing optimally. So while this is helpful for all sends, it's especially helpful for recurring or transactional emails that are going out to your whole audience. It's just a really great way to make sure that you're on top of making sure your emails are performing at their absolute maximum potential. Great. So now that we've gone over how we integrate with Oracle, what benefits can customers expect to see from using Oracle and Litmus together?
Yeah. Marketers today have an abundance of tools at their disposal. For email marketing alone, there are hundreds of attributes marketers can leverage in either Eloqua or Responsys for personalization. While this is empowering, it can also become overwhelming. The proliferation of personalization presents a real challenge. Testing every variation across all devices is practically impossible. It's not only, resource intensive, but also time consuming. In today's fast-paced market, speed is everything, and a single bad experience can drive customers away for good. The stakes are just too high. By automating testing and providing real-time insights, Litmus really empowers marketers to confidently launch campaigns. No more sleepless nights worrying about broken links or unexpected rendering issues. Litmus really ensures your emails look and perform flawlessly, and wait for it, across different devices.
Yeah, absolutely. There's actually a study that found that I think it's 86% of people say they'd leave a brand they love and trusted after just a couple bad experiences. So we know there's a whole lot on the table, a whole lot at stake, I should say, when it comes to making sure that your communications are proper representations of your brand. And we've heard similar feedback about the benefits that you mentioned from actual Oracle and Litmus customers as well. So one customer that we spoke with, Zendesk, told us that they save 3 hours on every single email by pre-testing their emails with Litmus and using our Litmus integration directly within Oracle Eloqua. So what they do is as they build in Oracle, they test as they go. And then by the time they're ready to send it to their stakeholders for review, they know that those emails are as error-free as they can possibly be. So that reduces the back and forth, the rounds and rounds of different cycles of review with all these stakeholders. It saves them time, the email team saves their stakeholders time and frustration. It's good for everybody. And it results in more flawless emails going out the door. And another customer, VSP, they save more than 100 hours a month building emails with Oracle and Litmus. I know, right? 100 hours a month. I'm like, I know there's more than 100 hours in a month, but that sounds like a lot.
And it's a lot. I mean, come on, right? Like you can take
Right?
5 days off.
Exactly. You just take some extra days off. But what they do is they store their assets, their email assets like templates and such, in Litmus's design library. And then they use ESP Sync, what we just saw, to automatically update Eloqua with the most up-to-date version of every email they build. So every time they save in Litmus, it's automatically up to date in Eloqua. And by doing this, not only have they gained the confidence that they're getting the highest quality emails to market because they have all that pre-send testing built in. They can build it, test it. It's automatically up to date in Eloqua. But they've also decreased their email review cycle time too by 50%, so by half.
Okay.
And I know, right? And they can build emails, they said, in 30 minutes rather than several days. So it's just so much more efficient.
Totally game changing.
Totally. So that's just a little bit about how our joint customers have told us that they've seen value from having Litmus and Oracle together. Is there anything else that you'd like to share about the value that you've seen or that you see from our partnership?
Yeah, absolutely. I know. I mean, while Litmus is best known for its quality assurance capabilities, it offers so much more. And I was really excited when I found out this about Litmus as well. The pre-built content modules, such as, countdown timers, live polls, progress bars, and sentiment checkers, easily integrate with Eloqua emails and landing pages and enable marketers to enhance email personalization without requiring coding expertise. Personally, I don't know much about coding, and I know it can be very intimidating for some marketers. So I think that is wonderful.
Yeah, I feel the exact same. I'm not a coder. I don't know. I don't know how to code an email to be quite transparent, but I even can build a countdown timer, a progress bar, a sentiment tracker. And the truth is that whether you're an email creator or not, everybody starts somewhere when it comes to email. So it's really important that all marketers can create these engaging elements, regardless of their technical abilities or anything like that. So love that too. Last but not least, are there any new Oracle features or future plans that you'd like to share?
Yeah, yes, for sure. I mean, our product team is just fully committed to harnessing the power of data and AI to deliver personalized experiences. And we've been doing this for decades, nurturing customer relationships and drive revenue growth. We're continually enhancing the integrations between Oracle Eloqua and Unity, as well as Responsys and Oracle Unity, which is Oracle's customer data platform that supports both B2B and B2C use cases. Our goal is to help our customers truly understand their audiences and fully tap into the power of first-party data. We all know how important that is for more effective personalization. While Eloquent responses already offer like a robust set of both predictive and generative AI capabilities, we are constantly developing new AI features with every quarterly release. The future of marketing, we believe, will belong to those who can effectively leverage data and AI to boost marketing efficiency and impact.
Yeah. You nailed it. You said, being able to leverage your first party data effectively and efficiently is going to be so important. It's important today. It's going to be even more important in the future. So you're exactly right. That's really exciting. And even the AI um, roadmap that you outlined, that sounds really exciting too. So I can't wait to see what Oracle does. And I just want to thank you so much for joining me today on Litmus's Partner Spotlight. I truly enjoyed hearing more about Oracle. Love always talking about how we work together to help marketers create better email. And thank you again so much for being here.
You just, the pleasure was mine.